I have always been fascinated by the work of the winemakers. Respected it. As you know, it's in the DNA of the French people to drink wine. My name is Michel Bernardaud. I'm the chairman of the board and the chief executive officer of Bernardaud, our family business that has been manufacturing porcelain in Limoges for almost 160 years. Something that connects wine and Limoges porcelain. You know, originally you had big forests, and there are still forests around Limoges, and this oak was used to fire the porcelain, to get to this very high temperature, 1400 degrees Celsius. And the same oak was used to make the barrels to grow the Bordeaux wines. Now, we have this wonderful project on doing a bottle for a very famous and great wine. The cooperation with Mondavi has been achieved in a remarkable amount of time. California is one of the cradle of the wine, so there is a special bond between California and France. To my knowledge, it's the first time there has been such a cooperation between a porcelain manufacturer and a winery. Mondavi was familiar with what was making Bernardaud different than the others. Of course, we do all sorts of porcelain, traditional. We use all sorts of techniques, very contemporary. But we have also some specific know-how that I don't think anybody has. In the Mondavi project, we wanted to have something that was intriguing, not the specifically white porcelain, which I cherish and I love, but something that people would have had some difficulties to understand. What is this material that they are using to do the bottle? So you have a technique of metallization to do those reflective colors that is very specific to Bernardaud. We are also using matte glaze, black glaze, white glaze, all that. It's a combination of all the know-how that we have. In that way, these bottles are going to be unique. It was very clear that we had to find a way to reproduce the special burgundy color that is so specific to Robert Mondavi. It was quite a challenge because it's not that easy in porcelain to get. The pigments have to react at a temperature that is not so easy to maintain throughout the production. So I'm very happy that we've been able to get to the Mondavi Burgundy. To manufacture this bottle, was a great challenge to develop a product of good quality, of a great new design. And we managed to do it, and I'm very happy and very proud, of our company for being able, to do that. I certainly will have the pleasure of enjoying a glass of wine with my son and my brother. I'm very excited to have the opportunity to introduce porcelain as a container for wine. That's unique, and I hope the beginning of a long-term cooperation between Robert Mondavi and Bernardaud.